and welcome to a rather special Frank Camacho special, in which we have a quite special Volvo in here, which I cannot wait to unveil. If you follow him on Instagram at F__Camacho, I believe it is, you'll find him on there and you'll see it from quite a while ago. But it's on there and you can definitely see it. Thank you very much to Frank, and I'm very sorry if you hear any wind in the background. We are expecting gale force winds in the very coming hours, so the wind's definitely getting up. Wish me luck. It's open and I can already tell there's a few little treasures which I honestly was not expecting. To be honest, I wasn't expecting anything like what's in this box here, which I'm going to start off with, which is actually a Subaru SVX in the power grabs. This is my first ever Matchbox car grab, and it's of course the Rio Asada Subaru SVX, so a nice one to start off with. And we can't ignore another Subaru SVX in its first ever release in that white classic SVX colour. Just a fantastic release of it. You cannot ignore how fantastic this cast is, and of course this beautiful sort of ruby, sort of burgundy colour to represent Rio Asada. We're going to keep this to the end. Now I was only expecting one thing, so seeing two in there is quite special. And another thing that I really wasn't expecting is this 2020 Land Rover Defender 90, which is a fantastic casting from Matchbox, which I haven't actually been able to find. As the one time I went to a shop which sell them, they weren't actually there. So I am fantastic or delighted to see that in there. And a carded version of something like Jay's Diecast Creations sent me, which is this Mercedes-Benz 220 SE. There's the wind getting up. Apologies if there's any interruptions. And I believe I'm seeing something from the new Modern Classics, which is got to be my favourite premium set, other than that Drift one to date. This thing is freaking amazing. That yellow 300ZX twin turbo with the just a fantastic release of that thing. And it looks like we're finishing off with if we can get her out, the 2003 Honda NSX Type R from the Fast and Furious Quick Shifters set, which released sort of this year, this time last year, and a nice one to finish off. That was a very quick one, but we ain't finished yet. In fact, we've still got two rather special things wanting to stay at all, in fact, but we're going to give it a go. There's the noise, there's the shed there making some noise. Keep that in there. I can already see the Volvo, so I'm going to take this one out first. Actually no, I'm going to take the Volvo out. This is part of the Volvo build-off, which is an entry I've really been looking forward to, and I'm already wowed. This thing is made out of the premium cast, actually. Zoom in. Of course we'll get a full feature of this soon, but for some reason or other there's a massive rocket thing sticking out the back, and I actually really like the deco. I think the deco looks quite nice as well. The wheels being mismatched really helps it. I think it goes with the absolute badness. Of course the rockets are nicely detailed. We've got a nice detailed engine in there, nice detailed interior, sorry, in there. This thing's insane. I love the colour as well. The colour is fantastic. Sorry if any of that was off screen, but this thing's amazing. The paint is really clear. I mean, even with all these splats on there, it's still fantastically clear. Another thing in here which I wasn't expecting is this, which I don't know what it is. Oh wow, this is a Mini with what appears to be an absolutely massive engine. This thing is absolutely amazing. I mean, everything on it has been reworked. It appears to have had a donut drifter base on it put on it. It's been slammed. It's got a different interior in there because these are actually right-hand drivers are cast. The paint is absolutely fantastic. There's no grille. There's a massive, I believe it is a V8 lump. This is absolutely amazing. Like, honestly, this custom work is absolutely fantastic. That thing is absolutely insane. It was really something I wasn't expecting. I was only expecting the Volvo right next to it, but that Mini on second glance is just an insane bit of custom work, which I cannot thank you enough, Frank Camacho, for that, because that thing is absolutely unreal. And I can't wait to get it on my shelf, where it too will be displayed next to many other Volvos and a certain custom by the one and only Old Man Diecast, and soon to be Hewitt's customs, which I cannot wait for. It's been almost a year since Hewitt started doing customs now, and he's been doing a very good job at it, let's just say that. A very, very good job at it. So we cannot wait to see what happens there. But also something I've just noticed is, these had bonnets on. These had like covers over the engine, whatever you want to call them. And they are quite special because he's used some sort of saw to cut that off without cutting this front fascia off, which is quite a feat of custom design. I really was not expecting anything like that, especially to completely base swap it and put on, like, just that is insane. I don't know how he's done that. It's a very, very good job and very good way of pulling it off. I don't know how someone's managed that. I can't wait to compare it to an actual mini casting. Now there will be photos somewhat soon. I'm going to combine them with JDC's custom or JDC's photos and a few from the customized diecast box, as well as a few other bits and pieces which are sort of need to put into a diecast photography because they need to return somewhat soon, and I can't wait to do that somewhat in the near future. So stay tuned, have fun, and of course stay juking.